Now we will be talking about intervals. What are intervals? Intervals are really the distance between two notes. And in music, we have two different kinds of intervals. We have a melodic and a harmonic. A harmonic is two notes stacked on top of each other, so when played, they both sound at the same time. Whereas a melodic interval is the two notes being played in succession, one after another. So you hear two pitches again, but one right after another. So if I was to play this first example right here together, this would give me what a harmonic interval sounds like. I'll play it again. As you can see, you can hear two different pitches, but it's being played at the same time. Whereas if I take the same two notes, play it one after another, I get a melodic interval. So I can hear those more clearly of the two different pitches. So those are two examples of the intervals we have. A harmonic, it's two notes played at the same time, and a melodic interval, one note being played after another. Now let's talk about the two different group of intervals we'll have. In each group there's different qualities. So we have group 1, which we have P1, P4, P5, and P8. Well, the P stands for perfect. So P1 we would call perfect unison, P4 we would call a perfect fourth, P5 is a perfect fifth, and P8 is a perfect octave. So it's a unison apart, a fourth apart, a fifth apart, and an eighth apart. So let me give you an example of what they sound like. Well, unison is really the same note played twice. So that is my perfect unison. I can't have a harmonic unison because I can't play the same note exactly twice at the same time unless I have different instruments. The next example is going to be a perfect fourth. Here is it in harmonic version, and here it is in melodic. The next example we have is a perfect fifth. So harmonic version, and then here it is in the melodic version. And then finally we have a perfect octave. Here it is in harmonic and in melodic. So this is the intervals I have for group 1. And as you can see, they sound very consonant. It's very pleasing to the ear. There's not a lot of tension, and it's the reason why they're called perfect. Here we have the group 2 intervals. We have seconds, thirds, sixths, and sevenths. And before, you can see there's a lowercase m or a capital M. The lowercase m is used to represent minor, and the capital M is used to represent major. So I have a minor second as well as a major second. The difference between the major and a minor is a half step difference, and that the major will sound slightly less dissonant than a minor. So for example, a major 6 will sound a little more consonant than a minor 6 would sound. So let me go through and play examples of each one of these intervals. So here I have the minor second. I'll play the harmonic version first. As you can see, it's very dissonant. Next, I will have a major second. Well, let me play it, sorry, let me play the minor second in the melodic version. So that's very dissonant. Now, here is the major second in harmonic. And then here is the major second in melodic. As you can see, it sounds more consonant, a little more pleasing to the ears than the minor second. Now here is minor third harmonic, and then minor third melodic. Now moving on to a major third harmonic version, and then major third melodic. Then I'm moving on to the sixth, so I have a minor sixth harmonic. Here it is in melodic. And then a major sixth harmonic. The melodic. And then a minor seventh harmonic. Minor seventh melodic. And then a major seventh harmonic. And then melodic. And then those are the intervals for group 2.